Hello guys, today we're playing the game Heavy Rain, which is regarded as one of the best story games ever. Let's start this shit out. Damn, the sound is really nice, bro. Okay. Damn, the side looks good, bro. Nice scenery, it's okay. He's got like a child play thing over there. Bro, the controls are really weird in this game. Shower. Okay.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Let's shower this guy. I'ma have to censor that shit up, bro. This guy be showing his buttocks already. Let's wash this guy's body up and get him ready to go get dressed.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
This is a toilet. This is his children's bedroom. Okay, there's where his bed is. Now we can pick up some clothes. Damn, he be looking trippy as fuck.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake. I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Birdie, birdie.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time. I could go for a cup of
Let's go get
coffee.
some coffee, bro. Now let's wash some dishes. Damn, he a predator, bro.
Maybe there's something on TV. I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back.
Small ass TV. Yeah, get out, bro. This shit is trash.
It's
Let's-
almost lunchtime.
Let's see Grace.
Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Let's do the birthday now.
I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday. Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden. How about some music?
Ooh, samurai.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Bro, I can't go up these things. Help. Oh, okay, finally, Grease came home.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old.
This
That's
guy
not
looks like
exactly
Bose.
grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
What the hell am I supposed to do?
Never mind, I'll do it.
I'm sorry, I just wasn't thinking.
Ugh, they've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I
tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the clients next month.
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem, leave it to me. The plates should be in the living room cupboard.
Hey, Ethan. I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
I forgot. They're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
Wow, now they're in the living room cupboard, bro. Where's the cupboard at? Yo, the kids stole their car, bro. What the hell?
Ethan.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars. I know what's on your mind, Ethan. But now is not the right time for it.
Shame.
I've really got to focus on this party. We'll continue this little conversation later.
Jason looks happy.
Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school. We're getting older.
Hey, Dad, are you gonna come and
Yeah,
play with
Dad,
us,
come
please?
and play with us, come on.
I promised your mom I'd set the table. It'll take 2 minutes, and then I'll come play, okay?
Okay, that's cool.
Hurry up, we're waiting.
But what is it? Chicken, the cupboard thing. Okay, I found it.
That door's always sticking. Give it a big tug. That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
I think I'll go outside and play with the kids.
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first!
No,
me
me
first!
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn. Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
It's my turn now.
All right, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
Show us how
Yeah,
strong
show us
you
your
are.
big muscles.
Be careful, hang on.
Bro, these children are really weird, bro.
Oh,
They look retarded. Especially the guy that has his birthday. Ooh. They about to go full Osman Empire, bro.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
ah, surrender,
Yeah, I'm about to beat
weakling.
this kid's ass.
Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason.
Hooray!
Don't give up. I am victorious.
You like that shit?
Watch out.
Pipe down
Oh!
to the leg.
Attack, attack.
Whoa!
Yeah, bro. You got better get killed. Oh, I missed. Get the leg again.
Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Yeah, Jason! Ah!
Continue.
Wow.
Yeah!
W, W.
Go, Jason. Yeah.
Hooray!
No.
Whoa!
I'm letting this kid a bit, bro. Because it's his birthday and I feel bad.
I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah! Ha! Ha!
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
We're coming!
Yeah, get your bitch ass out, bro. You lost to the kid. You lost with one shot, bro. What the hell are you?
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Where the hell is Sean, bro?
Why isn't Sean at the table? He should be around here somewhere.
Sean? Where the hell are you? Bro, this kid, bro, be making me work more. Nah, this is my working space.
Ethan, please get Sean now. The meal is gonna be cold.
Let me figure him out first, woman. Bro, this guy works like some gay bitch, bro.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
Well, call me dinner now, bro. I don't care about that stinky Albert. The hell is this, bro? Pixel City?
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem.
Come on.
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
You
Come on, honey.
Yeah, bro, we about to lose Jason, bro. This guy.
Jason!
He couldn't have gone far. He was here a second ago. I'll bet he's gone to see the clown. I'll bet he's gone to see the clown.
But we get it that he might be at the scene now. Jason, get your ass over here, bro.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Yeah, bro, this was
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Yeah.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here. Keep the change.
Jason, bro, you
It
retarded
is
ass kid.
impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. Be right back.
Oh, fuck you, Jason.
Jason! Jason!
Can you hold his name?
Jason! Ja- Jason! 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 Jason!
Hey, man, watch it.
Jason!
Hey! Hey, man, watch where you're going.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Gee,
Hey, man, watch where you're going.
Jason! 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 Hey! Jason! Jason!
How hope this guy gets run over by a car, bro. This kid ass kid.
Jason!
shit!
Dad!
Bro, why did you let that kid die, bro? He's a weird ass kid, bro.
No, Jason, oh my god.
Bro, why the hell is she crying about Jason, bro? She should cry about his man dying.
No.
But fuck Jason's ass, bro. Weird ass kid makes him pops die. The fuck, kid. Jason, you're a bitch, bro. Heavy Rain, bro. I hope Jason fucking dies and his pops is alive. He was a chill guy. He just wanted to kiss his woman. Resume game, bro. Resume game, bro. What the hell are you doing? Okay guys, here the video will end, and tomorrow we'll start the new chapter where I will probably upload it. Okay guys, bye, see you the next time. Yeah, okay, save still. Bye guys, see you the next time. How do I stop?